Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your Amazon Smile account to credit your nonprofit organization. So the first thing you need to do is go on smile.amazon.com, and once you're logged into the website, you need to set up your account for the first time. So if you already haven't set up your nonprofit organization, we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So you're going to see that get started thing, and we're going to click on that button. And once you click on it, now over here you can search for your nonprofit organization. So in my case, I'm gonna try with the short form of my organization, MCPBC, and it may or may not pop up. So let's see if it comes or not. Okay, it didn't come up. So now I'm gonna type up the entire name. So if you have a short form, that might not work. So type in the full form of your organization, and there it is. And now I'm gonna go ahead and select that charity organization, which is a nonprofit, and I'm going to click on yes, I understand, and click on start shopping. So that's all you have to do on the website. And once you're done with this particular process, on the left hand side over here you're going to see your supporting nonprofit organization will be listed. So that completes the process on the website that you have to do on a computer for the very first time. So this is the only time you have to do this. So now if you're shopping on the computer, you have to go on smile.amazon.com and just search for your item, whatever you're purchasing, and that should give you the credit. You cannot purchase anything directly from amazon.com. You have to type in smile.amazon.com for your charity to get the credit. Now the next step in the process is to set up the phone app. So a lot of folks, they use their cell phones to do the shopping, or iPad. So I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your iPhone or iPads. So you don't have to go on smile.amazon.com. You can just open up the app and it will do the rest for you. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so now let's set up the app. So let's go ahead and start the Amazon app, and at the very bottom you're going to see that 3 dotted line. We're going to tap onto that dotted line. Once you select it, you're going to see this menu, and we're going to click on this tile. It says Amazon Smile. So let's tap onto this tile. Now you will see on the screen it says turn on Amazon Smile, and on the very top you're going to see your nonprofit organization selected. So right now it says it's off, and I'm going to go ahead and click on turn on Amazon Smile. So now you're going to click on next, and once you click next, over on this screen it's telling you that your Amazon notification must be enabled. So let's take a look. If your notifications are not enabled, follow this step to turn it on. So to turn it on, let's go on settings, and under settings we're going to go into notifications. So tap on to notifications, and then you're going to select your Amazon app, and there you see Amazon. Let's click on that, and just make sure your allow notifications are turned on. So now I'm going to tap on to turn on Amazon Smile, and once I click on it, it's going to take me to the next screen. It says start shopping. So at this point you're all set up. At the very bottom of this screen you see it says change your charity, and that's just an option. If you plan on changing your charity to a different one, you can always change it from this app. You don't really have to go onto the computer screen. So over here on the very top you see my current nonprofit organization is already selected. Now one more thing I do want to show you guys, and that is the renewal. So let's go back onto the main screen, and we're gonna select on the tab again the 3 dotted line at the very bottom, and over here let's go back on Amazon Smile, and over here it says next renewal is on February the 2nd, and this is something that we have to do every 6 months. The app requires you to come back and do a renewal every 6 months. So that's just something that we have to remember and set up on our calendar. So every 6 months we just remind ourselves to come back and just select the charity that we want to support. That's just a standard feature that Amazon have. You know, I'm not sure why they don't keep it that way forever. Not exactly sure, but you just remind yourself to do that every 6 months. So hopefully now you can set up your Amazon account to support your favorite nonprofit organization for every shopping you do. It's a very small amount, but you know, every penny counts, so anything helps. So please select the nonprofit organization of your choice and support it. Thank you.